What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I uploaded one of my R&B and NEO Soul acoustic lessons. There is an entire series about it, so if you haven't watched my R&B and NEO Soul Acoustic Guitar series, I will leave a link in the description below. You can check it out. There are 10 videos, 10 lessons about R&B, Neo Soul grooves played on acoustic guitar, showing everything from embellishments, chord positions, fingerstyle patterns, everything really. But lately I've been uploading many electric Neo Soul guitar videos, so about licks, so lead guitar, but also riffs and chord progressions in the style Neo Soul, gospel, R&B. Again, you can check them out on my channel, but today I want to go back to the acoustic guitar and playing some Neo Soul on acoustic guitar. I feel like sometimes this is another overlooked topic on guitar, because when you get into Neo Soul and R&B, you often see and find, lessons on electric guitar, but you don't find so many on acoustic guitar. So I thought, yeah, let's go back to it and let's do something simple that everybody can learn. So yeah, let's get started. You won't need many chords today. The key is E minor, and we're gonna play an E minor 7, like this one, bar chord. I like to play the E, the root, as an open string. I'm in standard tuning. Okay, I'm in standard tuning because, one of my videos about it was in E flat tuning, and I read many comments of people struggling to figure out how to play the things that I was showing. So today I'm in standard tuning, and the first chord is E minor 7 here, using the E string as open string as the root for this chord. And then from here, you just anchor a couple of fingers and you get to C major 7. Okay, this is a classic chord change in Neo Soul guitar, going from the 1 minor to the flat 6 major 7, from E minor 7 to C major 7, and then 4 and 5 minor. So A minor, which I briefly play as an A minor 11 as well, and then B minor 7, the 5 minor. I play these chords: E minor 7, C major 7, A minor 7, A minor 11, and B minor 7, but I also play lots of percussions and melodies in between, typical of Neo Soul and R&B guitar. So when I start this progression, I just play, a hammer on with these two fingers on the E minor 7, and then a percussion. And then before I hit the second percussion on 4, the percussions are always going to be on 2 and 4. I also use my pinky, fret 10, to get the 11th. Okay, I then come back, I take off my pinky and I come back to the E minor 7. So, and then before repeating again the same thing, I play the E string by itself. So, okay, like that. And then to finish my E minor 7, I'm playing 4-note arpeggio, so I'm not plucking anymore like I was doing before. I'm playing, starting with my pinky down, so I'm playing the 11. And then I lift the pinky again so that I can hear, after the last percussion, just the fret 8, the minor third of the E minor 7. So to recap the E minor 7 so far. Like that. Okay, nice and simple. It's a mix of plucking, arpeggios, and melodies with the percussions on 2 and 4. Really nice the way you can combine melodies and percussions. Remember that the percussions are only on 2 and 4, and if you want to find out note by note in a nice tab and music notation transcription what I'm playing, I will be uploading everything I'm playing in this lesson on my Patreon page, so you can find the link in the description below and you will see note by note the notation for this groove and for many others that you can find on my YouTube channel. And then from here we go to C major 7 and we do a similar pluck, okay, 4 strings and then 3 before the percussion. So then before hitting the second percussion, guess where my pinky goes? Fret 10 to get the 6th or 13th of this C major 7, which becomes a C major 13, but effectively it's the same note that I was playing on the E minor 7 to get the E minor 11. So I'm looking for a continuity in the melodies between this and this. Okay, so again, slowly this first part of C major 7 goes like. Okay, and from here I repeat the same kind of plucking, but I finish with an arpeggio, because I was finishing with an arpeggio even on the E minor 7, so 4 single notes, percussion and pinky, on the 13th, so on fret number 10. So this entire C major 7 part goes like. Okay, the melody is bam, bam at the end, while before on the E-7 we're playing the same two notes but descending. Now when I'm done with the C major 7, C major 13, I've played this nice melody, I like to slide down and play an A-7. The way I play it is with my thumb here and then playing this C major triad with the first finger, but if you feel more comfortable like this, or any other voicing, even this really, that you might want to play, any other fingering really that you might want to play for the A-7, that's all good. I find myself comfortable playing this because I can also slide it like that. I slide, pluck 4 strings, play only 3 strings with the second pluck, and then percussion. Okay, and then I continue with a single note arpeggio even here, but here is where I introduce the A-11. It's just one note that changes, this one which goes down, but the A-11 really opens up the voicing of what you're playing, so. Okay, and then I do kind of like the same shape when I pluck the B-7, but after playing 4 strings, I only play with my ring finger the B string here before the last percussion. Okay, like that. And then at the end of this, I play another final melody, which is based on the E minor scale, E natural minor scale, doing so F sharp, G, F sharp, E, ending on the root. Before hitting the last note, I do one last percussion. Like that, so that I create that nice syncopation, staccato feel. You can change it, right? You can play this without the percussion, so more legato. Okay, up to you really. Or you might want to end on this note and use the percussion. Up to you. You can play anything you like based on this scale. Up to you. Now, you play this chord progression as many times as you like. You can play it once, you can play it twice, and then when you feel like this is the end, this is the final melody, instead of just going back to the usual E-7, the first E-7 that you played, which is fine, but I feel like we can create something more interesting. So why not going for this kind of voicing, which to me sounds a little bit deeper and more like an ending. So what I'm doing really, I'm playing an E-7, okay, extending it to the 11th, but the 11th will be now here. So the voicing of this chord is almost like you want to play a B-7, but in actual fact, the root is here, which is fine. Then you play a B and you play a G with your pinky here. Doing that, you already get an E minor triad, okay? Root, 5th, minor 3rd. Then again, here is the note that you are gonna add as a color, which is the 11th, it's an A. Best way of playing it with a bar, I would say. The second finger plays a D, which is the -7, so. And to me, you can stop here and it sounds amazing, especially if you slow down towards the end and you play maybe with your thumb or with any other finger you're comfortable with a single note arpeggio. Like that. Now, because you've got this position, it's up to you whether you want to use this note. This is an F sharp, so this would be, an E-7 that you extend to 9th and 11th, not just the 11th. Up to you. If you like that F sharp on top, you play. Okay. What I was playing in the intro was without this F sharp, so stopping on the D. Both are nice to me, so I leave to you choosing which one you like better, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite. That being said, let's listen to the whole pattern slowly. a slightly different melody, and I added now the ninth here, so that you've got both versions. Right guys, that's all for this NEO SOUL Acoustic Guitar lesson. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, or if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you ring the bell, you'll get a notification when a new lesson like this one is up on the channel. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something from this lesson, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to follow along the full transcription for this riff, you can find it on my Patreon page. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This was the Bearded Guitarist. Have a wonderful day.